Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify so you can automatically sync your customer data, track your 2026 sales performance, and deliver high-end studio marketing automations directly to your e-commerce audience. Let's get into it. First, locate Shopify in Mailchimp integrations. The first step is finding the connection point within your Mailchimp dashboard. In 2026, Mailchimp makes it candidly easy to find major platforms through their universal search and integration directory. Log in to Mailchimp, click on the Integrations icon in the left-hand menu, and select Manage. Use the search bar in the integration directory and type Shopify. Click on the Shopify tile when it appears. Starting here allows Mailchimp to prepare its studio environment for the incoming technical data. When you click Get Started, Mailchimp will candidly redirect you to the Shopify environment to finalize the handshake. Next, head to the Shopify App Store. Once you are redirected, or if you choose to start from your store, you need to find the official technical tool that manages the 2026 sync. Open your Shopify admin, click on Apps in the sidebar, and search for Mailchimp. Select Mailchimp, Email and Marketing from the results. This is the official Intuit app designed for a professional studio connection. In 2026, the Shopify App Store is the only place to get the verified technical script needed for real-time tracking of your software tutorials and sales. Next, install and authorize the app. Now you need to grant the technical permissions that allow your two platforms to share professional studio data. Click Install on the Mailchimp app page, review the permissions list, which covers 2026 customer info and order history, and click Install again. You will then be prompted to log in to your Mailchimp account to verify the identity of the studio that will receive the data. This step is a mechanical necessity for security. It ensures that your market analysis and customer behavior remain protected within your professional network while the sync is active. And that's pretty much it. To link the two, navigate to Mailchimp Integrations, search for Shopify, and click Get Started. In the Shopify App Store, install the official Mailchimp app, log in to authorize your studio account, and select your linked audience. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.